To submit an assignment on our Google Classroom, you go ahead and scroll down to where the assignment is, in this case, Challenges and Struggles. Click on Open. If you have already created a file on your Google Drive, you click on Add. You click on Google Drive to go looking for your file. Or if you have not created it, you can click on Create. Click on Docs. A new file would open up. Click on this one. And so you type your responses here. And let's pretend we're done. On your upper right hand corner, there is a word Turn In. So you click on Turn In. You'll be asked again, Turn In, and just click on Turn In again, and you're done. If you change your mind, you can unsubmit, or you can just edit your work, and I should be able to see that editing once I go and log in. Thank you.